Hi, welcome to Speedway Motors. I'm Joe, and today we're going to take a look at what is in the box when you get a Real Rodders 15 by 10 polished sprint wheel from us. And these are really cool wheels. These are new to us, and what they look like an old Halibran Sprint wheel, but it saves you the trouble of rooting around the swap meet and trying to find some used up old drag car wheel. This is a brand new wheel. They make them, and we offer them in a 15 by 10 as well as a 15 by 5.5, so you have fronts and rears. And whew, look at that. They come in this is a polished aluminum. They also come in a vintage finish, which is kind of a gold mag looking center with a brushed lip. And they're just neat looking. You know, this would look perfect on an old hot rod, you know, a 32 Ford or I mean, really anything. It's hard to go wrong with a wheel like this. We offer them in a 4.5 bolt pattern as well as a 5-on-4 3/4. And we also offer these center block off plates. And you know, if you in the front, obviously you'll have the hub protruding through the center of the wheel, but in the rear, sometimes it can kind of look unfinished. You can kind of see the end of the axle, and it'll say something you don't want it to. So what these are, it's just a polished aluminum plate. It's held on by the lug nuts, and it finishes off that center area of the wheel. And when you get the two things together, you know, it has kind of a neat look. You know, there's really not a whole lot to say about these other than just how cool they look and what a high quality piece it seems to be. I guess if you have any other questions about these, back spacings and offsets and things like that, feel free to give us a call or take a look at the website. And thanks for watching.